Toyota's candid assessment of the Mirai, a shift in strategy. When Toyota unveiled the second-generation Mirai, it raised a few eyebrows. The hydrogen fuel cell vehicle had never been a blockbuster seller, but Toyota remained committed to the technology. However, in an unexpected turn of events, Toyota's stance has evolved. The Mirai, it appears, has not achieved the success the company had envisioned, prompting a strategic shift towards developing hydrogen technology for commercial vehicles. According to Toyota's Chief Technology Officer, Hiroki Nakajima, the primary challenge lies in the difficulties associated with establishing hydrogen fueling stations. Nakajima candidly acknowledged that the scarcity of refueling infrastructure has hindered the Mirai sales performance, leading to its characterization as not been successful. A quick check with the U.S. Department of Energy's Alternative Fuels Data Center confirms that there are a mere 57 hydrogen refueling stations in the United States, all concentrated in California. Nakajima further explained that hydrogen suitability shines when it comes to vehicles with specific usage patterns, such as those regularly commuting between two fixed locations. Such scenarios, typical of many commercial vehicles, offer a more conducive environment for ensuring stable access to refueling infrastructure. This perspective led Toyota to join forces with Isuzu to develop light hydrogen fuel cell trucks, underscoring their dedication to exploring the technology's potential in a practical context. In retrospect, the first-generation Mirai struggled to surpass 1,000 units in sales. However, the second-generation model marked a positive turning point, consistently exceeding this milestone each year since 2021, making it the highest-selling year for the Mirai. Sales did experience a minor setback in 2022, with just over 2,000 units sold. Nevertheless, the model is rebounding this year, with Toyota reporting 2,600 for Mirai sedans sold through September 2023, representing an impressive year-over-year increase of over 80%. While Toyota has reassessed the Mirai's role in the passenger car segment, it's important to note that not all automakers are ready to bid adieu to hydrogen-powered passenger vehicles. Honda, for instance, recently unveiled a CR-V-based hydrogen fuel cell crossover, set to launch in the US and Japan next year. Nevertheless, the limited availability of refueling stations is likely to impose constraints on its market reach and sales, echoing the challenges experienced by the Mirai. However, Toyota and several other automakers are not abandoning their exploration of hydrogen technology. Recently, a company introduced a potent race engine concept producing 410 horsepower, signaling the ongoing commitment to hydrogen development. Furthermore, Toyota showcased a hydrogen combustion buggy at this year's Japan Mobility Show, developed in collaboration with industry peers such as Honda, Suzuki, and Kawasaki. This unique concept has the potential to influence the future of passenger cars, opening up intriguing possibilities in the automotive landscape. Motor1.com reached out to Toyota to gain insights into the future of the Mirai sedan, and we will update this story with any responses. We also inquired whether this strategic shift affects Toyota's research into hydrogen internal combustion engines, which could shape the future of alternative fuel-powered vehicles. In conclusion, Toyota's frank assessment of the Mirai and its strategic shift towards commercial vehicles represents a notable pivot in the automotive industry's pursuit of alternative fuel technologies. While the Mirai's journey has faced challenges, it has opened the door to new opportunities and collaborations. This candid approach, combined with ongoing research and development, will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of sustainable transportation